Hey, these are the winter months, and you know what that means. That's right, basketball. Hi, it's Pastor Keith with this week's installment of Phone Tag. Both of our boys are into basketball in a huge way. Zach opened up his senior season with 22 points, 6 for 7 from behind the three-point stripe in a rivalry win. Nick is averaging 10 points a game and emerging as a true leader on the freshman squad. This year I received a real surprise. I was asked to coach the freshman basketball team at the high school, and our church board values creative endeavors so much that they're allowing me to do this. We're finding a way to make it work. I'm loving coaching these kids. I'll tell you something, the truth is I've actually been a coach for a long time. A number of years ago I received training to become what is called a life coach. And the main difference between a coach and a mentor is this. A mentor pours into another individual, but a coach draws out of them gifts and abilities that maybe they didn't even know they had. Proverbs chapter 20 and verse 5 says, "The goals of a man's heart are deep waters, but the man of understanding is able to draw them out." I'll just bet there are people all around you who would love to have their gifts and abilities released, and you're going to be used to draw them out. Hey, coach those around you to a greater level of serving God. Phone tag, you're it. Pass it on. Okay, guys, here's what we've got. We're going to be stacking it. 5, I want you here, and you're going to cut hard but avoid the corner 4. We're going to fake to make the pass. 3 and 1. You're setting a wall here, and 2, you've got to jab hard and really salvage your finger on it. You're coming off the screen and you're going down here to receive the pass. Remember, 4 seconds is a long time. Set up.